you want to saturate it before you part it. So use your shine and jam. I put like a good amount like this, and basically really put it on. Just put it on the roots before you. Alright, so y'all want to start with the first one. I already put product in there, saturated. We want to start with this one. So I'm gonna do this technique. You braid it first. So take your 3 sections, and this is going to help snatch your roots so it lasts. I'm going to copy that. Braid it first. Just 1 inch, and then you just twist it. So yeah, twist it like that. Twist, twist, like that. And add more product if you need to. It's the inches for me. So I'll be back when I'm finished. No, we're gonna do one more. And then I'll be back when I finish this row and hit up the top. This is a great protective style if you want your hair to grow. Men or women, y'all could do it. So I'm gonna part it like this. I wanna make sure it's correct. So this is where we at right now. Y'all see it's looking really laid. So braid the top, add a lot of product, gel it down, and then you wanna twist. Y'all see how it's looking. I actually like this, the bigger ones. This looks, I like it. Y'all see the parts I press, even though I did it on myself. So we're gonna do this side, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all. But as y'all can see, my hair did grow. And if y'all follow the steps I said, make sure you eat. So guys, we almost done. We're gonna do the same process. So let me run it down to y'all one more time. Alright. Take your Equal Styler Stronghold water-based pomade. Put this right at the top to make sure it's laid. You can get it in layers if your hair is sticking out. But look at it, don't it look nice? So I'm gonna put it like right here. I'm gonna straighten up that part. Okay. Now that you're done, you want to spray some holding spray. I would foam it, but I don't want my roots to curl up. I mean, it can still lay, but I don't got time. Spray a little holding spray on it. And blow dry it on warm, and then cool. And this is going to help it to lay better. Like right on. But make sure I send a picture first. And y'all know my IG is. Oh no. So yeah, make sure y'all oil your scalp. Put your drops. Oil your scalp. And as y'all can see, I'm done. So to keep this up, I would just gotta wrap my head every night with a do-rag. Emphasis. Yep. Which y'all know the book with. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share with all your friends. Let me give y'all a full look. You know? Yeah, I like it. Yep. Trying to get the lighting right for y'all. A lot. Peace.